This is Marty again. We're once again still in process of cleaning up the Saw Palmetto. I think the light green and grayish very nice. It's two colors. There's a green and there's a grayish green. From looks of it, looks like the leaves are really more grayish green than anything else, but I'm looking at the underside around the leaf, so that's not a professional thing. And the reason I'm taking this is because, like I said, we're cleaning it out. I'm deciding which arm to remove. I think I pretty much already decided that it's going to be the slower one, because as I was cleaning out, I came across my feedback. First time in about 2 years that I have a feedback, and I accidentally chopped one piece off, so I'm just going to let this little baby go, because it looks so cool. So, like I said, this is one with the Saw Palmetto. I'm going to leave those other branches over there more or less to protect the seedbacks from being attacked by anything that's out there, because the seeds get through to be about a half inch or 3/4 of an inch in size and turn black when they're ripe. So it's going to be a couple of months before, I imagine by the end of the springtime, we're going to see anything. If I'm wrong, let me know, but the fact that they're this size at this time of the year, we can believe it's going to be a while before they get big, but we'll document it on a regular basis. And we'll see what's happening. But what I want to show you is right above the Saw Palmetto is a solitaire palm tree. When you get up there, there's 3 over there, and it's coming down to the base. And they drop their seeds in literally just, I guess what you would say safely to say, thousands of seeds. And quite usually germinate readily in and around the Saw Palmetto palm tree. And when I was here cleaning up, it was almost surprised, not surprised, but the Irish plants are right next to it. And the Irish plants are really, really growing like crazy. I'm trying to pull the weeds up, but what I'll do is I'll rake out all the junk that's underneath them and clean it as much as I can. But they're all at least, I think, about 20 Irish pods that I just pulled out. So I gotta get the proper name for that. And while I was doing it here, I was also looking at one of my solitaire palm trees. I have 2 plants on it, and both of them are climbing series of plants. Let me just get over here so you can show it. And right next to each other, on the left is the, well, in the middle actually, is the climbing cactus with a pretty light pink flower. This is the first one that's over here to bloom together, so we'll let it just set. And right next to it is the climbing cactus. As you can see, it's not one section, but a huge section fell off, so I've got to get my gloves on and play around with that section of the tree. And once again, there's another palm tree, which I have to check my documents, but I have a label somewhere about it. And I'm going to have to get something that I can label the things that the birds and the squirrels can't attack. And there's my Hawaiian teeth pipe. I got several of them over here. And my bougainvillea is back there. And I'm yet to decide what's going to go on that plant stand back there. So thanks for stopping by. Let me just take a look around here, see if there's anything exciting. Here's solitaire seedlings. Something else. There's the Washingtonia seedlings. And this is the rest of the Irish plant. So that's where it is. That's how we stand at the moment, Chris. And don't forget the yucca tree. And my little granddaughter's teddy bear palm tree, and with the faintest little buzz on this.